In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add the timer picker field in Forminator forms in WordPress. To get started, first you need to install and activate this Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it and activated it, but if you need help installing the plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to add the timer picker field in Forminator contact forms, simply hover over Forminator in the sidebar and click on the dashboard. This is the Forminator Forms window, and here you can create a new form by clicking on this Create button over here, or you can even edit an existing form here. In my case, I'm simply editing an existing form. This is the Form Builder area. Now, to add the timer picker field here, simply click on Insert Fields, and from various fields here, simply look out for the timer picker field. Once selected, click on Insert Fields. In the pop-up here, you can select the field type from here. You can also select the hourly format. You can also enter the label name here. Field descriptions can be added here. The time picker field is a bunch of fields. Here you can expand the Hours tab and explore the settings. You can set the label name and the placeholder text. You can also expand the Minute tab and check relative settings. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field required or optional from here. You can customize the error message as well. You can choose the time increments from here. You can also set the time limit for the time picker from here. You can adjust it as per your choice. You can set the default time as well. Under the Styling tab, you can add some additional CSS classes to style your field accordingly. And under the Visibility tab, you can control field visibility. Everything's up to you. Once done, simply click on the Apply button. You can see the field has been added here. Let's check the preview. You can see the time picker field in action here. This is how easy it is to add the time picker field in Forminator forms in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.